আব্দুল মতিন, রঘুনাথপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়, নবাবগঞ্জ, দিনাজপুর। অনলাইন রঘুনাথপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয় অনলাইন স্কুলের পক্ষ থেকে সকলকে জানাচ্ছি আমি আন্তরিক সালাম ও শুভেচ্ছা। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। যারা দূর দূরান্ত থেকে দেখতেছো তাদেরকেও ধন্যবাদ। প্রিয় অষ্টম শ্রেণীর বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমি যে তোমাদের টপিকস নিয়ে কথা বলবো, ক্লাস Class 8, Unit 5, Lesson 23, EFT 8, Grammar, Topics, Preposition. Dear student, tell about the picture. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definition of preposition or use of preposition. Dear student, which preposition are used? Where? On, over, above, through, into, out, under. Dear student, definition of preposition. Preposition is a word which is used before a noun phrase or a pronoun, connecting it to another word. Again I will say, a preposition is a word that relates a noun or a pronoun to another word in a sentence. For example, I will say, you will be guess or missing your question. The boy is under the desk. The boy is beside the desk. The boy is on the desk. The boy is against the desk. I will say, you will be guess or missing your exercise notebook or khata. Under, beside, on, against. This position are used. The preposition are in both phases. Notice how each word expresses different relationships between the boy and the desk. You will be guess the picture. Find the preposition in each sentence. Dear student, I will write down on the whiteboard this question. The flower along the place are plenty. Just wait until tomorrow. Sam left the house without any jacket. Have you read the letter from your cousins? During the first month, I have read 10 books. Shelley ran across the street. The chemist know the answer to the question, drive down the road. I will say which are preposition used answer the question. Okay, where used? Answer. Along the floor, along the fence were plenty. Just wait until tomorrow. Sam left the house without his jacket. Have you read the letter from your cousins? During the first month, I have read 10 books. Shelley ran across the street. The chemist know the answer to the question, drive down the road. Dear student, use along, until, without, from, during, across, to, down. Some preposition used. Dear student, you will be of course write your exercise khata. This is circle use a preposition. On, though, behind, from, behind, against, beside, over, during, without, abroad, across, among, against, around, at the end, at the bottom, between, behind, below, by, inside, corner, into, via, after, to, above, in, on, at, sin, while, under, over, right, left. Okay? Kind of preposition. Dear student, I will describe two preposition. Simple preposition or compound preposition. Simple preposition. Simple preposition which consists only one word. Example, in, on, at, with, against, etc. Compound preposition. Preposition which against or consists of two or more words. Example, instead of, in the middle of, by the side of. Dear student, homework. You will be of course write your question answer. Okay? Homework. Fill in the blank gaps with preposition given to below. The sun inside, this position will be used. This position. The sun shine dash the sky. The fox jumped on dash the wall. My brother dash came me. The book is dash the table. He sat down, dash the sofa. Don't go out, dash the sun. Dear student, thank you. No more today, more when, again. Goodbye, bye-bye.